Secretary Lou, could you provide insight in the involvement of the military in the politics of Pakistan? Hold on. Y'all don't need to clap for me. I'm good. We're good. Thank y'all. Go ahead, brother.
The Pakistani military is the sixth largest military in the world, the largest of any majority Muslim country. The U.S. military has historically had very close relations with the Pakistani military. Our generals and their generals have trained together decade after decade. It is an important part of Pakistani culture. I have lived in Pakistan. I have seen that for myself. The Pakistani military is an important institution. We respect, in this administration and all past American administrations, the constitutional principle that the Pakistani military must be kept under civilian control. It must be answerable to the president.
But is it?
Answerable to the president, sir, who is the commander-in-chief, and responsible to civilian control.
But I will say free Imran Khan.
Free Imran Khan, the first democratically elected Prime Minister of Pakistan. He will stay in Pakistan. He's a humble, great leader. Free Imran Khan. Free Imran Khan, a great democratic leader in Pakistan. We need Imran Khan. Free him from a death cell in Pakistan.
Congressman McCormick will now continue with his full 5 minutes.
You make a difference, so God bless you. Thank you. And with that, I now recognize the ranking member, Dean Phillips. Okay. Don't pick up your sound, not them. The chair notes a disturbance of the committee proceedings. The room will be in order. And we now proceed with Congressman Dean Phillips.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
One thing you need to do. The American ambassador needs to visit Imran Khan in prison and make sure that he lives to tell the tale of how he was wrongfully imprisoned through selective prosecution. I yield back.
First democratically elected Prime Minister of Pakistan. He will stay in Pakistan.
And yes, we're concerned about democracy in Pakistan. That's why we want to free Imran Khan.
Free Imran Khan, a great democratic leader in Pakistan. We need Imran Khan. Free him from a death cell in Pakistan. He's back.